Hello, Full Send RCPH. Today, meron tayong bagong review. Itong portable mist fan. Nabili ko lang to sa Shopee for 199 pesos. And the reason I bought this is kapag outdoor race, tulad sa bilyar or AE, alam na natin yan kapag maaraw, sobrang init and kailangan natin ng some way to cool us down. Yung old fan ko, yung Aura Share, I think, the brand or something, na yung turbo jet fan, mahirap. It's okay, pero maingay, sobrang ingay. And nakaka-distract siya. And ito, merong Razer nagdala ng something similar like this, na meron siyang piezoelectric mist nozzles, and I tried looking for one on Shopee. Nakita ko to. This is only 199 pesos. Wala po siyang battery, so you need a USB charger. And lucky enough, yung field charger ko, meron siyang USB socket, so dun ko na sinasaksak. So the way it works is you plug it in, USB-C, may kasama siyang cable when you buy it. Meron siyang pailaw. Let's see. Iba-ibang kulay. That's a little fun feature for you. Meron siyang fan. Of course, na 3 speeds. And of course, yung kanyang special magic trick, which is the mister. Lagyan natin ng tubig para ma-demo ko sa inyo. So guys, ganito lang. Lagyan mo lang ng water. I think, nakalagay ba dito kung ilang ml to? Wala hindi nakalagay. Pero that's a decent amount of water. And pwede mo ding lagyan ng ice. Napapanood ko sa Shopee, nilalagyan nila ng ice para mas lalong lumamig yung mist. Yung takip niya pala guys, it's not firmly attached, so medyo ingat lang, huwag mo nang tumbayin. So ito, makita ko yung kanyang superpowers niya. Oops. Superpower. Ito. Pwede isa, pwede tatlo, pwede 5. Tsaka guys, malamig talaga siya yung air na binubuga niya, lalo na yung may mist. It drops the temperature several degrees to keep you cool. Perfect ito pang hot days, lalo na kapag medyo natatalo na sa karera, mainit na yung ulo. Gamitin mo na to, pampalamig na lang. It's very nice and very cheap. Kung gusto niyo naman yung rechargeable, yung may baterya, meron naman. I think it's 300 something pesos. Meron siyang konting difference. I got this one because I just wanted to test it out, and I had a USB outlet available to me all the time. So yeah, this is 2 thumbs up, man. Bilhin nyo na. Ayos to. Thanks for watching and catch you on the next one.